Welcome to my own classroom. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a Tutor account, access your dashboard, manage classes, and use all the teaching tools available in Classroom. To get started, head over to the My Own Classroom website and tap on Create a New Account. You'll see two options, Student and Teacher. Select Teacher, enter your full name, email address, create a password, and complete the sign-up process. After signing up, you'll receive an email verification code. Open your email, copy the code, return to Classroom, paste it into the verification field, and verify your account. Once your email is verified, you'll see a message letting you know that your account is waiting for admin approval. After approval, simply sign in to access your dashboard. On your dashboard, you can personalize its appearance by choosing from different themes. For example, you can switch to the ocean theme and explore other available designs. So you're on the Classes section. Here you'll find three options: Join Meeting, Schedule, and New Meeting. If someone shares a meeting code or link with you, use the Join Meeting option to enter the session. The Schedule tab displays all of your upcoming classes in one place. To start a new class, tap New Meeting. A room code will be generated automatically. You can copy this code and share it with your students so they can join the session. Before entering, you can turn your microphone and camera on or off, then tap Join Session. Once you're inside the meeting, students can join using the room code. When a student requests to join, you'll receive a notification. Simply approve the request, and the student will enter the session. Now let's explore the teaching tools available during a meeting. The Share Screen button allows you to share your screen with students. The Record button lets you record the session, and the recording will automatically be saved to your recording section. Next is the Poll feature. You can create a poll, enter a question, add answer choices, choose a duration, and launch it for students to vote. This is a great way to keep students engaged during class. The Board feature works as an interactive whiteboard. You can write, draw, erase, create lines, boxes, and circles, adjust pen sizes, choose different colors, and clear the board whenever needed. You can also download the board to share notes with your students. The Personal Notes section allows you to keep private notes during class. Anything you write here is saved automatically for future reference. You can also use reactions to interact during the session and use backgrounds and effects to customize your camera appearance. The People panel shows everyone currently in the meeting, while the Chat section allows you to communicate with the entire class or send messages to specific participants. After a meeting ends, you will be returned to the Classes section, and here you can see your recent meetings, open the meeting details. Here you'll find the meeting information, chat history, personal notes, recordings, and an AI-generated summary. Next, let's look at the Schedule section. To schedule a class, enter a class title, create a class code, select the date and time, and tap Schedule Meeting. Once scheduled, you can share the class code with students so they can join at the right time. The Recordings section stores all of your recorded sessions, making it easy to review or revisit previous classes. In the Reports section, you can view class activity, student participation, meeting summaries, recordings, and other important teaching insights. Finally, the Settings section allows you to update your profile picture, change your name, and manage your password. And that's it. You're now ready to create classes, teach students, and make the most of everything Classroom has to offer.
Smart SPS, learn, grow, shine, shaping futures, one step at a time.
Smart SPS.